Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and a brand new month means a brand new series on the channel. I cannot believe it's already September, which means I am almost at my 2-year anniversary with this channel. That just totally flew by. Cannot believe I'm almost at 1,500 subscribers. It's amazing. Thank you so much. As for what the series is, I figured with all the hype around air fryers that we would do an air fryer series, starting with zucchini fritters. So we're gonna make it in the air fryer. It's gonna be delicious. If you guys love air fryer recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm taking zucchini and I'm shredding it with my box shredder on the larger side. And I actually already did a lot of the zucchini already. It's over here in a bowl with some salt. And that is my air fryer. So I already preheated my air fryer here on the side. So this has been sitting for about 10 minutes with the salt to really draw out all of the water because zucchini holds a lot of water. So I think this is good. What I'm gonna do next is take a paper towel and take all of my zucchini, place it in the middle, and I doubled up on my paper towel just so it doesn't rip. Then I just take that same bowl and squeeze all of the water. And my paper towel broke, so I have to go grab another one. But look at all of that water. Just squeeze out as much as you can. All right, so I've drained all of the water out of my shredded zucchini, and this is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna add in the rest of the ingredients. So that is 1 egg, a few tablespoons of flour. All right, next I'm gonna add some spices. Over here I have some black pepper, smoked paprika, mustard powder, garlic powder, and then onion powder. Add that in, and there's no salt that I'm adding because I did already salt the zucchini and try to get all the water out of it, so I don't wanna add any more salt. All right, so now you just mix it all up. All right, that looks perfect, nice and mixed. And now what I'm gonna do is take out the drawer of my air fryer. On the bottom, I've already lined it with aluminum foil. And then on the top, I'm just gonna spray it with a little bit of avocado oil. And then just take about a couple tablespoons at a time. Place it in. It's already preheated, so at 360. And then you're just gonna cook it for about 12 minutes. And the best part of an air fryer is that it's very, very quick and things come out really, really crispy. So preheats really, really quickly too. All right, my air fryer just beeped, which means it's done. Oh, look at that, nice and crispy. Yum, I honestly, air fryers are so, so good. Oh, should have sprayed it on the bottom a little more, but that's okay. Yum, look at that. All right, let me grab another one. All right, taste test time. Really good with a dipping sauce or even like ketchup. Oh, nice and creamy on the inside. And then the outside, it's really hot. It is nice and crispy. So I'm gonna let this cool down and then I'll taste test it for you guys. All right, I think it's nice and cooled. That is so flavorful. I really, really taste all that garlic and then the onion powder that I put on it. And I really think you need to add mustard too. It gives it a nice smoky flavor. This is delicious. So easy to make. You can make it really quick. The air fryer makes it even quicker, so you're done with everything in under 30 minutes. So if you guys love air fryer recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. Oh, it's gonna be hot. Oh,